modern or classic? Bathroom design ideas for your renovation journey. If you're planning to remodel or furnish your bathroom, this article is packed with inspiration on how it could look. Bathroom renovation is one of the most complex tasks during reconstruction. Not only are all energy connections located here, but many times you have to deal with very limited space. Most bathrooms have limited space. When planning and furnishing, you must decide whether to prefer a shower enclosure or keep a bathtub. Equally essential are storage spaces. Many designed bathrooms look great but are not practical. Check out these inspirations to help you choose your bathroom.